Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more videos. Build your life, do it yourself. Hey everyone, so today we're going to be making some easy crockpot salsa chicken. So the things you're going to need will be some cream cheese. I have the whipped kind, but regular is fine. Salsa of your choice. 3 raw chicken breasts, some garlic powder, pepper, some salt, and optional chili powder. So I've already sprayed some oil in my crock pot. So the next step will be to add the chicken breast to the pot. Okay, then I'm going to add my salsa. I have 2 almost full jars, so I just am adding the 2 different kinds in here. Just use whatever kind that you have. Okay, now since I've added the salsa, the next step will be to add my cream cheese. I'm just going to put the whole container in there. Add my pepper. Salt. Add some garlic. And then I am adding chili powder. Okay, and now I'm going to cook it on low for 4 to 6 hours. Now it's all cooked and done. So now what you can do is stir everything together, and then you're going to shred the chicken. It looks so good and smells amazing. Okay, so now that it's all shredded, you can use this for many different things. You can use it for tacos, quesadillas, burritos, on nachos. You can eat it plain or maybe even with rice. I hope you guys like this recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye.